AutoSuite and Oracle Aud are now supporting calibration of sound field speech audiometry specifically for portable use. The new portable mode employs a simple calibration procedure for adjusting the lever from the sound field speaker for portable use while retaining the formal sound field calibration that was carried out by a technician for use in the permanent setting. First and foremost, please make sure you're using a loudspeaker which is appropriate for sound field speech audiometry. Portable sound field speech audiometry is enabled in the configuration wizard. Notice how the control panel changes, allowing you to carry out the calibration and enable the use of it. Now all you have to do is select where your speaker is connected and follow the calibration instructions on the screen. Please note that you need a sound level meter in this step. Just follow the simple instructions on the screen. Now tick the check mark in the control panel to activate portable sound field audiometry. The portable calibration will stay in the system for 24 hours. Now you can extend the reach of your clinical services and feel confident about the quality of your test results.